Hello friends, boys and girls, welcome back to your English Math Fun. In this video, I will teach exercise 2.3 problems of SSC sets. Very simple and easy problems. Let us start the first question. Which of the following sets are equal? There are three sets given and the sets are given in set builder form. Okay, we have to find which of the following sets are equal. Okay, let us write the set builder form into roster form. First one, A is equal to X, such that X is a letter in the word follow. Okay, I will write the roster form of first one. F O L W. Okay, this is the roster form. I have not repeated the word, the letter L and the letter O. Okay. Next, B. I will write the roster form of set B. F L O W. F L O W. Next, I will write the roster form of set C. W O L F. Word W O L F, wolf. W O L F. Students, observe here. I have written the roster form of three sets. All the three sets are containing the same elements F O L W. In this set also F O L W, W O L F. All the three sets are containing the same elements. So all the three sets are equal. We can write all the three sets are equal. A is equal to B, B is equal to C. We can write all the three sets are equal. Second problem. Consider the following sets and fill up the blank in the statement given below with is equal to or not equal to so as to make the statement true. There are six sets, and among the six sets, two sets are given in set builder form. I will write the set builder form into roster form first. Okay, the first three natural numbers. We can write the first three natural numbers as 1, 2, 3. Okay, the set F is also in set builder form. I will write in roster form. Set of ovals in English alphabet. Okay, we can write A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now we have to fill up the blanks. Fill up the blanks with is equal to or not equal to A dash B. Whether A is equal to B or not. Observe the set A. The set A contains three elements 1, 2, 3 and B. B also contains the three elements 1, 2, 3. So we can write A is equal to B. Observe the set A again. 1, 2, 3. There are three elements. And next the set E. The set E contains the letters, the oval letters of English alphabet. So A may not be equal to E. We can write A is not equal to E. Observe the set C. C contains four elements A, B, C, D. And the set D contains D, C, A, B. Means the set C and D contain the same elements. The order of elements is not important, but we have to find the sets contains the same elements or not only. Okay, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So we can write C is equal to D. Next, fourth one, D, F. Observe the set D. D contains A, B, C, D, four elements, and F contains the vowel letters of English alphabet. So D may not be equal to F. So we can write D is not equal to F. Fifth one, F dash A. Observe the set A. The set A, the set F contains the English vowel letters of English alphabet, and the set A contains the first three natural numbers. So F may not be equal to A. Sixth one, D dash E. The set D contains A, B, C, D elements, and E contains the vowel letters from English alphabet. So D cannot be equal to E. So D is not equal to E. Seventh one, F dash B. F contains A, E, I, O, U, the vowel letters from English alphabet, and B contains the first natural numbers, the first three natural numbers. So F may not be equal to B. So we can write F is not equal to B. Please like, share and subscribe AR English Math Fun and hit the notification button. Question number 3. In each of the following, state whether A is equal to B or not. Observe the first bit. The set A contains A, B, C, D, and the set B contains D, C, A, B. All the two sets contain the same elements A, B, C, D, but the order of elements is different. The order of element doesn't matter, but we have to see that the two sets contain the same element or not. But we can easily say that the set A and B contain the same elements. So we can write A is equal to B. Second bit, A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 8, 4, 16, 18. We can see that the element 12 is not present in the set B, and the element 18 from B is not present in the set A. So we can say that A is not equal to B. Third bit, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equal to X such that X is a positive even integers and X less than or equal to 10. Okay, less than or equal to 10. This is given in the set builder form. I will write firstly in the roster form. Okay, positive even integers less than or equal to 10. So we can write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Observe here the elements, the sets A and B contain the same elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we can say that A is equal to B. Fourth one, A is equal to X such that X is a multiple of 10. This is in the set builder form. I will write in the roster form first. The multiples of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and so on. Okay. The set B contains the elements 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. You can easily say that the element 15 is not present in the set A. So you can write A is not equal to B. Question number 4. State the reasons for the following. There are 4 bits and each bit we have 2 sets and the 2 sets are not equal. We have to give the reasons. Observe the first bit. The first set contains the elements up to 10. Up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And the second set contains the elements from 2 to 9. X such that X is greater than 1 and less than 10. First of all, I will write the roster form of this set. X is greater than 1 and less than 10. So, I will start from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Compare the two sets. The second set does not contain the element 10 and the element 1. That's why the two sets are not equal. Move towards the second bit. In the second bit, the first set contains the elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. All the elements are positive, odd, positive, even integers. Okay, all the elements are positive, even integers. Observe the second set. X says that x is equal to 2n plus 1 and x belongs to n, natural numbers. Observe here 2n plus 1 is written for odd numbers. Okay, we have to replace n with natural numbers. For instance, 2n plus 1. 2n plus 1. We have to replace n with 1. 2n, natural number 1 plus 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. 3. Next, 2n plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 3, 5. Next, 2n plus 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 3, 5, 7. Okay, observe here, if you replace n with natural numbers, you get the odd number. Okay, 2n plus 1 is equal to odd number. Okay, so the first set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is not equal to the second set, because the second set contains all the odd elements 3, 5, 7 and so on. Okay, move towards third bit 5, 15, 30, 45, and in the second set x says that x is a multiple of 15. I will write the multiples of 15. 5, 5 2s are 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on. Compare the two sets. The two sets are not containing the same elements 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. The element 10 is not present in the first set. So we can easily say that the two sets are not equal. Fourth one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. The second set, x says that x is a prime number. Okay. We can write the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Compare the two sets. The first set contains the elements of prime numbers. 2 is a prime number, 3, 5, 7 and also a composite number. The first set contains a composite number also, but the second set contains all the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13, because the first set contains other than prime numbers, so the two sets are not equal. Fifth question, list all the subsets of the following sets. First one, B is equal to PQ. B is equal to PQ. I will write all the subsets of B. Okay. P, Q, P, Q, PQ, and 5. Second one, C is equal to X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, XY, XY, YZ, XY, YZ and ZX. XY, YZ, ZX, XYZ and phi. Phi is nothing but a null set. A null set is a subset of every set. Okay. Third one, D is equal to A, B, C, D. Okay. A, B, C, D, AB, BC, AB, BC, CD, AC, AD, BD, ABC, BCD, ABD, ACD, ABCD and phi. Fourth one, E is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 9, 16, 1, 4, 1, 9, 116, 4, 9, 4, 16, 9, 16, 1, 4, 9, comma 4, 9, 16, 1, 4, 16, 1, 4, 9, 16, 1, 9, 16, and 5. Fifth one, F is equal to 10, 100, 1000. Okay, 10, 100, 1000, 10, 100, 10,000, comma 100,000, 10, 100,000, and 5. Students, this is all today. I have explained exercise 2.3 of sets in detail. The total exercise, the entire exercise is a very easy one. If you practice, if you watch the video 2 or 3 times, you will be able to do the answers very easily and you can earn good marks. Okay, students, bye bye.